So let's say so you're looking to buy one of these deals, and what if you don't have the 80 grand to buy it? Is that where you might buy it, like get the contract for 80 and flip it to someone else for 90? Or maybe
That's
partner
all I
with
would do.
someone. You could partner with someone who has the money. You find the note, you manage the
Honestly,
books
I
on it.
think it's better to flip it. Um,
Okay.
Partnering, sometimes you might get with a partner that you don't want to be
Oh,
with, or
right,
you
right.
could
Good
have
point.
disagreements when it is so easy to flip the note. Now, I also have some advanced strategies where sometimes I will borrow the note or borrow money to buy the note, and then I keep any early payoff on it. Those are some advanced strategies, and I just put $40,000 in my self-directed IRA using techniques similar to this.
Yeah.
Just last summer, I did this. So,
Wow.
I mean, there's lots of cool things you can do. You could buy the whole note and only sell part of it. You could sell enough to cover your purchase price, so you have no money
Wow.
invested, but you keep the whole tail end of the note.
Wow.
So
So
I
that's
call
what,
that my arbitrage, where I
yeah.
wind up, let's say, with this balloon, and I don't even have any of my own money
Yeah.
invested in it.
I
It is so
love it.
cool.
I
And
love it.
then I help the borrower to refinance. That balloon pays off early, and I wind up with 50 grand, and I don't even have a dime of my own money invested in it.
Now
I
you're
love
going to
doing
go
this.
through this in a lot more detail on Saturday also, right?
Yes, absolutely.
Okay.
Absolutely.
Wow. Yeah, that's going to be great. And then so Thursday night you're going to be here. You're going to be in Michigan live. And for people that want to be on Zoom, that you'll be on Zoom with us. And
Yes.
then on Saturday you'll be here all day live also
Yes.
to go over these details and how this works and how I mean you just like I mean I've heard of that before about the selling a personal note, but wow, that's it is a deeper strategy, more advanced, but also very simple when you know how to do it and you do one or two of those deals becomes probably very, very easy,
It
right?
absolutely is. I mean, it is very systematic,
Yeah.
and even like if people are afraid of the calculations, I have a very simple way. It's a systemized format for doing your calculations.
Yeah.
And I'm thinking I might do that on Saturday and get into that so
Yeah.
people can see how easy it is to do the calculations on it. I thought what I'd do, Wendy, is Thursday night I'll go over a variety of different things that you can do, but
Okay.
on Saturday I'll actually show how you do them. Okay?
Ooh,
That way
okay.
people get the best of both worlds.
Yeah. Okay, excellent. And now Saturday you're here what time to what time?
It's going to be 9 to 4.
9 to 4. So you're not going to want to miss it. Donna's going to pour out her heart and her brains
Absolutely.
on all of her
Yes.
systems to share with you how you can do this. So I mean, I'm guessing just because of what you're saying, that's why you pretty much prefer notes and mortgages over owning property. Is that right?
Absolutely. I can make more money and I don't have all the headaches of, I keep
Yeah.
saying tenants, trash, and toilets, but
Yeah, yeah.
it's true.
It's
And
true.
I don't have headaches of getting properties back that I have to rehab or they're full of
Yeah.
trash and stuff like that.